Complete Baby Care Kit. One of the biggest advantages of this pack is that it includes multiple baby care products in one box. It usually contains items like baby soap, shampoo, lotion, powder, and more. This makes it very convenient for new parents who want essential baby products together. Good option for newborn gifting. This pack is commonly used as a baby shower or newborn gift. The packaging looks nice and the products are useful for daily baby care, so it becomes a practical gift instead of something decorative. Trusted herbal brand. The products come from Himalaya, which is known for herbal-based baby care items. Many parents prefer this brand because it focuses on mild ingredients and baby-friendly formulations. Budget-friendly combo. Buying the gift pack is usually cheaper than purchasing each product separately. This makes it a cost-effective option for parents who want to try multiple products at once. Travel-friendly small sizes. Most products in the pack come in small travel sizes, which are convenient for carrying during trips or hospital visits after childbirth. Small product quantities. Since it's a combo pack, most items come in small trial-size bottles or bars. They can finish quickly if used daily, so parents may need to buy full-size versions soon. Not every product may suit every baby. Every baby's skin is different. Even though the products are gentle, one or two items in the kit may not suit a particular baby's skin type. Some parents prefer fragrance-free products. Many products in the kit contain mild fragrance, which some parents avoid when choosing baby care products for newborns.
Top comments by users. Listen, dear viewer. Check these things before accepting the parcel.